Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are actually taking a look at another online mystery box site. The last video actually got a very good reception. I'm happy you guys all enjoyed that content, and sorry to clickbait you, even though I made it kind of satirical, because obviously nobody on YouTube is opening $1 million mystery box unless their name is Mr. Beast. He'll probably do that in the future, but it's satire, guys. Basically, I wanted people to click on that video to create awareness for the fact that these online mystery boxes are basically all scams. And there are so many websites doing the exact same thing as that last one that we just saw, so I'm gonna try to debunk all of these websites individually, so that way you guys can stay alert and share these videos around for people that think these sites are legit, because they're not. They're really not. Anyway, before we get into that, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video and my favorite sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is having their 3rd anniversary sale right now. Yes, they've been in business for 3 years now, which is incredible. Congratulations to them. They've been such a strong staple of this channel, and I'm just very proud of them for making it to their 3rd anniversary. And they are dropping some huge steals and deals, because in celebration of their 3rd anniversary, they're actually doing 35% off site-wide. But because you guys are viewers of the Untied Hawaii channel, if you guys use the code UNTIED at checkout, you get an additional 10% off, making everything on the site 45% off. Basically half off, guys. 45% off is insane, because not only do they have dope necklaces like this that I'm wearing right now, but they also got watches, they got bracelets, they got rings, they got it all on the website, guys. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. If you guys click on the link in the description below, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where 35% off your order is automatically applied. And if you guys go to checkout and use code UNTIED, you guys get an additional 10% off. Definitely check it out, man. Happy 3rd anniversary to RGNB, and let's get into the video. Today's video, we will be looking at a company called Heiped Drop. I do want to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored by Heiped Drop. This video is sponsored by RGNB. It's not sponsored by Heiped Drop, because I don't want to be sponsored by companies like this, like scammy companies. Legit companies I'm fine with, like RGNB. Those guys are legit. Companies like this are not legit. And the people at Heiped Drop continue to email me, and they're asking me like, hey man, we'll pay you money. Can you do a video for us? You know, we want to sponsor you. And I just don't even respond, because I don't believe in these websites. But for the sake of education, I do want to show you guys exactly what the website looks like and exactly why you guys should stay away. So this is me not endorsing this product, because I don't want you guys going there. I'm not even going to link it in the description below, because I don't want you guys buying from here. However, for entertainment purposes and for the fact that I just want to like create education for you guys, that's why we'll be opening these boxes. If we look over here, this is the website Heiped Drop. Anyway, you guys can see it does have those online mystery boxes. So it has different things like Supreme 1% profit. I don't even know what this means. iPhone box, juice box, gamer boxes, okay, watch box, Jordans, tech. So basically it's like tech, hype stuff, and also sneakers. First thing off the bat that I noticed from this one, it's not as kiddie as that other website that we saw last time, but it's still kind of based to kids, which is the worst part of these websites, because they're trying to get these kids like addicted to the fact that they want to like buy boxes for cheap, because they know kids can't afford, like, dude, I just saw something really weird. Okay, so hold that thought. I'm looking over here at the budget streetwear master. This doesn't even say Supreme. This says Savage. What? That's already unlegit. So on top of the fact that that's a weird thing where they're targeting kids and stuff, I don't even know if they're selling legit products on this website, because that is not a real thing. So yeah, that's kind of freaking me out right there. That's a big red flag. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of money on this, and I'm probably, if I do win anything, gonna get a fake shoe. But for the sake of doing it for the video, I'll do it, guys. Anyway, I don't have an account, so I will make one right now. So we cut back to the video over here, guys. Basically, I am now user number 133. So yeah, that's interesting. Didn't ask for me to put a username or anything like that. And I wouldn't want to use my Untied Hawaii username anyway, because I don't want them to rig the box for me. The problem with these websites is that when they're sponsored, like you guys see your favorite YouTubers being sponsored and stuff, when you guys create an account on there, they give you a code so that you guys get free money in order to buy boxes for the sponsored video. That code supposedly creates a box that is like higher percentage chance that you'll get something good, which is why you'll see these YouTubers basically get sneakers or Supreme box logos like every single time, because it's basically rigged for the YouTuber to get something hype, so that way it draws in like their viewers, and that makes them buy boxes, because they're like, oh, he won, I can win too. But the fact is, you probably will never win, because 99% of the time it's gonna be an L. That's the reason why the YouTubers win all the time, and that's the reason why you probably will lose money when you guys use these sites. So that's why you should not use these sites, and don't trust YouTubers that are sponsored. If you guys see a link in their description saying, use my link, get a free box or something, that means that video was sponsored, and that means that their box was probably rigged, so they got something good. Anyway, since I didn't get free money from this company and I'm probably gonna lose money, we'll click top up over here, which I'm guessing is how you input cash on here. Deposit with real money, I'll put in a card over here, and I will again put in $100 of my own money, which I probably will never see again. And yeah, that's what we will do. Similar to that other website, it's taking a long time. So I'm gonna click card. Dude, and this is like the exact same checkout screen as that other company, man. This is strange. I think, I don't know, this might be a conspiracy theory. I feel like these companies are all interconnected, like all of these sites are the same, because this is the exact same checkout screen as that other one. I'm not sure if this is a common like Shopify kind of checkout screen, but I've never seen this before until that last video, and this is exactly the same. Same loading times too, so who knows? Your transaction has been declined. Once again, it seems like a fraudulent website because it got declined again because it's thinking that it's not legit. Okay, so thankfully we got $100 on there. So I'm gonna go back to the video over here and we can finally get into the unboxings. This one says the not so simple part of a virtual mystery box is the legendary algorithm we work with to determine which your item you will reveal. This is the work of our tech wizards, and their magic is what creates the fun and excitement behind the virtual mystery boxes. To make it easier, read our fair packing policy, and you'll see how it's like a game of rock, paper, scissors. That is so sketchy, man. Not only are these guys ridiculous for using the word tech wizard, dumb, but the fact that they're trying to like kitty it down for people is even more ridiculous. Like just the fact that they say like there's an algorithm, that doesn't mean anything. And so I went to over here on this page and it says probability. Since each item or outcome is assigned to a roll number, the probability of a particular outcome will never change, even if you play it 100 million times. There's no pattern or method used to determine when the big ticket items will be won. It's sheer randomness. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys know that's probably baloney. Unless you can see exactly their formula, it doesn't matter, you know? So they can say whatever they want. So yeah, just be safe and let you guys know. Okay, so we'll start it off with hype sneakers because obviously we want to make sure we try to get some sneakers. So yeah, we'll go to sneaker box 5%, and that one is $10 apparently. I guess over here it shows you percentages, which is different than the other website. But again, these percentages probably are not real. Again, you can put whatever number you want on the website. It doesn't mean that it's legit. It just creates a facade that it's legit. So 0.005% chance to win any of these shoes. They got some interesting ones, Jordan 3s, NMDs. The lowest thing, or the thing that you'll probably get the most, looks like a spiral notebook or a sticker. So you'll spend $10 basically to get a sticker or a notebook, which is probably what we're gonna end up with. Anyway, I'm gonna click buy now. See, and this is the irritating part. They give you the same thing again so that you're reading the facts. That way you can't argue it when you guys inevitably lose after the fact. Again, with these such low odds, how are your favorite YouTubers hitting so often? Maybe they're just super, super lucky. Anyway, let's open up this box. Ooh, cool sound. Okay. Oh, it's not even a box. You just... Okay. I got a cool notebook. I mean, I expected it. I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah, I got a cool notebook. So I'm going to sell that. I don't want it. $1.49. Just like that other site, you can sell it instantly. So that's... yeah. So this one is sneaker box 20%. So I guess we get a 20% chance to win instead. That sounds pretty good. 1 in 5, right? This one, you can win a pair of Travis Scotts. Dang, that's hype. Things I'll never see, things that we will never unbox, but it sounds cool. So I'm gonna go over here and click buy it now. Fingers crossed, guys. Let's hit this big. Not Vans, not Vans, not Vans. Okay. Wow. And for this one, wow. So I spent 50 bucks and the most you can sell it back for is $9. I mean, yeah, I don't want to keep these Vans, so I'm gonna sell it, I guess. Sell for $9. So that was expensive. I don't want to do that again. That was terrible. 20% chance. I guess I missed the 1 in 5. This one. Let's do this one because this is the weird one that has that Savage sticker that makes no sense at all. 0.002% chance to win a box logo. Oh, Papreme. That's not even a real thing. It's an inspired. It's not even a real thing. Inspired Savage sticker. So 99% chance. Combined, this is a 99% chance that you're gonna get a sticker. Give me the puppy sticker at least. Didn't even get the puppy sticker. They gave me the dumb... Oh, sell. I want the puppy sticker. Come on. I can't even hit the sticker that I want, man. We're gonna get this puppy. We're gonna get this puppy. my god. I'm done. I couldn't even get the puppy, man. Okay, so we'll check out the off-white box now. I want to know who actually hits this, other than, like, people on YouTube. Anyway, let me get something that won't be hype. Show me the shoelaces. Oh, a daily free box. They create like some kind of like incentive program on this site too, apparently, where the more boxes you open, you create a higher level for yourself, which means that you can open a box for free. What's in the free box? Apparently you get credit. So these free boxes over here is a psychological ploy. Basically, they are trying to get you so that they're saying like, hey man, we're good guys, we're giving you free stuff. But again, this is just to keep you more engaged with the site, so that way you want to level up, right? Just like in a video game, you want to level up. That way you can open more free boxes, but that's how they hook you. They want you to keep putting more money into this thing and pretend like they're giving you free stuff when it's not really free. Let me just open this. We'll probably win 1 cent. Shout out to Heiped Drop for letting me win 1 penny. I can sell for 1 penny. Cool. I got a free penny from the site. That's a big win, man. It's free. Can't get mad. I want a penny. What else can we buy over here? There's a Balenciaga box worth 500. That's insane. Let's do the Jordan 5%. You know, maybe we'll do it like last video where we'll just run out the rest of my money on this 5% chance. What is going on? What is going on, man? I don't understand. Again, these videos are not sponsored. I don't buy into these videos. 0.2% chance. That is not a hype sneaker for sure. It's not hyped, but 0.2% chance, right? They get you to think that you're gonna win. I very, very much think that after your first deposit, they will let you win something somewhat decent, right? You're not gonna win the grand prize, but you'll win something that is over what you put in. It's the psychology-based fact that they give you the first one for free so that you're addicted. It creates an addictive behavior in you guys, and that makes you keep coming back and putting more money in. Because remember that one time I won that 0.2% chance? I was so lucky. I should keep trying. That's how they get you. Jordan Proto Max 7. I don't even know what the heck that is. 0.2% chance to win that. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna sell it for 99. You guys are gonna roast me in the comments, man. This guy's keep talking smack about these websites even though he's winning. Buy now. Boom. The wipes. Okay, so we're gonna sell. Shoehorn. Okay, so again, the odds are not in our favor, so sell. This is what you're gonna do over and over and over. Like I said, the first one's free. Then you're just in an infinite loop where you keep thinking you're gonna win and you win nothing. This is how they get you, man. I'm telling you. Look, we got so many crep wipes. So many. The strangest part is that people are probably spending their hard-earned allowances on this stuff, and it just is such a rip. Like, they're just ripping you off, and people think that it's like actually fair when it's not. It's not fair. Look, you're just gonna keep losing over and over and over. See me win crep wipes over and over and over. Dude, this is just an endless loop of nothingness. Come on! Dude, we almost got that same 7 thing again. Okay, this time we got a Funko... What is this? A Funko Jordan thing? Is this rare, guys? I'm not a Funko person. Is this actually worth $30? Do we keep it or do I sell it for 27 and just keep spinning this endless wheel? I guess for the sake of the video, we'll have it sent to us so that we can find out if it's legit or not, I guess. I don't know. Might as well. So if you go over here, my items, there's the Jordan thing. You click withdraw over here, I guess. Okay, so we requested the item. I don't know how this is gonna work from here, but I guess it will send the whatever we want, I guess, to the house. As you guys saw, it is very, very similar to that last video that we saw, right? Where they let you win like a whatever kind of shoe, right? It's a middle of the pack shoe. And that is like the first one that you'll get, and then after that you won't get anything. That's why I sold it this time instead of taking it, because I wanted to show you guys this is what would happen if you got another extra $100 put in there, and if you guys kept going, what would happen. So just really just be careful, guys. It may look like a lot of fun and it may look like something you guys want to do, but the thing is, you guys should not input money into these sites. I just don't think that they're worth it. I don't think that they're legit. I will try out more websites though, and we will see if they ship this Funko Pop thing, I guess, and see if it's legit. So stay tuned for the follow-up video for that one. It will be interesting. If you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below, like this video, and as always, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoot!